The people them want to know how you make the quinoa dumpling.
Well, China will if a dumpling me I make a just to me and your father. So we just use like a cup of the regular all-purpose flour. And I use a cup of the quinoa flour. But anyhow, me just assume says a cup. Me don't use measuring cup because I grew up without using it. Me there Jamaican, my mother use it just dash flour, cornmeal and mix some fried dumpling and boiled dumplings. So me just say 1 cup. And then me, you know, me need it. A pinch of salt tonight and me need it. So me need it. And after that, I cover it and make it rest a little bit. And then put in my coconut oil in my frying pan. American people, them non-stick skillet. So, the oil hot. Start going.
The oil hot.
For me dumpling them in a way it's supposed to form what style I want, you know. But you don't like them in a cartwheel style. I just like them look like a bit decent. So, I cut my tomato and take out the seed about
See them, yeah, should take the seeds out of the tomatoes, guys. Especially if you have joint pain and stuff. It's best to take the seeds out before you cook them.
So I try my dumpling them. I want the side them, the white the side of the dumpling them look white. But just turn them, I use my finger and hold on top of it and fork and make it brown a little bit. Fry and get dark. You know, and thing. We're not prejudiced anyhow, so you could have black like to toast me yam the same way. And I say bun rice, yam the same way. Me used to drink pot water when me there in Jamaica. And that's so where you boil up for them. Then I have an electric stove and gas stove. A coal stove I have. And I used to go grass out every Saturday morning, go buy coal and put in a bag here, take the Joyce bus when I call Jolly Joseph, Jamaica omnibus. A British come from England and bus them. But when them not have them the bus now. So I used to get up and go and do that. And then when me used to bend and I feel like the coal stove, put newspaper in it and show kerosene and come. So what I buy kerosene and put in a buckle and them something for my mother. Or she have one kerosene or she have one pan put in it. So sometimes I don't reach back home in time because I'm on the road I play with my friend them and she was saying I go buy all saltfish too. And by the time I reach home, I must have a little bump of saltfish left because I pick the saltfish and my friend I eat and we play come down the road. We play hopscotch or come right down the road and then something I get a piece of roast beef and sweet